Does USAA cover rental cars? USAA offers rental car coverage through its auto insurance policies, providing protection for members who need a temporary vehicle due to an accident, repairs, or travel. The coverage depends on the type of policy you have and whether you opted for additional rental reimbursement coverage. 1. Rental car coverage under USAA auto insurance. If you have USAA auto insurance, your existing coverage typically extends to rental cars. This means your liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage, if included in your policy, will apply when you rent a car. However, you will still be responsible for any deductible if you file a claim. Second, rental reimbursement coverage. USAA offers an optional rental reimbursement add-on which helps cover the cost of a rental car if your insured vehicle is being repaired due to a covered claim. This does not cover rentals for leisure or travel purposes, only when your primary car is inoperable due to an accident. Third, rental car coverage for travel. If you rent a car for travel, USAA's standard policy may cover you, but you should check with the rental company regarding their requirements. Some rental companies may require you to purchase their own insurance, especially if you do not have collision and comprehensive coverage on your personal policy. Fourth, international rental car coverage. USAA's rental car coverage typically applies within the US, but coverage outside the country varies. Some international locations may not honor US auto insurance policies, so it's best to confirm with USAA before renting a vehicle abroad. 5. Credit card rental car coverage with USAA. If you have a USAA credit card, it may provide secondary rental car insurance, covering costs not paid by your primary auto insurance. This can help with deductibles or additional fees charged by the rental company. If you're considering USAA rental car coverage, check your policy details or contact USAA to ensure you have the right protection. To find out if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.